You're great and mighty. No one can compare. Your majesty reign high up in the sky. None can reach you, none can deny. From the earth straight up to Zion Hill, all creation shouts say you will fulfill your glory bright like the morning sun. Holy Father, the chosen one, we bow down low, lift you high. Your name can never die. When we look on the mountains tall and the rivers we flow and call, me know why you design it all. Jah, you're great, you stand so tall. Every little breeze we blow is a whisper, say Jah in control. From the sunrise to the night, your power shine pure and bright. No place me go, you the right there. To the storm, you always there. High above, yet close to me. Jah, you reign eternally. Jah majesty reign high up in the sky. None can reach you, none can deny. From the earth straight up to Zion Hill, all creation shouts say you will fulfill your glory bright like the morning sun. Holy Father, the chosen one, we bow down low, lift you high. Jah, your name can never die. Crown upon your head, throne set firm, righteous fire forever a burn. The angel them cry, holy, holy. Jah alone pure and worthy. Strong tower when me feel weak. Every time me call you speak. Chains drop off, heart get free. Jah your power set me free. Lift him up, make the whole world know. From the earth straight go cross the globe. Jah alone sit on the throne. All the praise belong to him alone. Sing it loud, make it ring. Jah Jah is the conquering king. Leader, who are the greatest? Jah Jah, Jah Jah. Who reign forever? Jah Jah, Jah Jah. Jah majesty reign high up in the sky. None can reach you, none can deny.